Well, hello again. I challenged myself to use up as much of those paper scraps as I could. And you know, I had that 6x6 piece of paper or 6x12 piece of paper left. Um, and I have ended up with just this little bit left that I will probably make a card on another day, but not today. What I did is I used this Divinity Designs gift giving goodie bag, and I have a video um, previously where I made this Valentine goodie bag. Get some extra paper here in the view. Um, so I challenged myself to make a matching one. For the card that I made earlier, I made a matching goodie bag. I used the navy blue paper. And now this one I put 2 Velcros. But now you have a little matching goodie bag to go with the card. So it was quicker to make the second time. This first one was a big challenge for me because I had just gotten the die and wanted to do a quick video. But this one I actually took the pieces and cut out the pieces in the back. I didn't do the piece for the front, but I did for the lid. And I just added a strip down here at the bottom to kind of pull it all together. And I did the same Local King stamp. But that's it. My goal is to use up my scraps in that big stack of paper I have. So let's see what I can come up with over the next few months. Thanks for watching this very short video.